How do I provide simple audio feedback to my PowerShell users? In this episode, we're going to find out. Not only do I use this technique to provide audio feedback to my users, but let's say I've got a long-running process. I'm going to start that process and then go do things like, word processing, fantasy football, maybe watch some YouTube videos, the important stuff. But I need to know when that long-running process ends. So that's where we're going to be using the System Console object in Windows to provide some beep tones. Here we are calling the beep method. Let's see what happens. You may have missed it. It was kind of short. Let's do it again. By default, it plays at 800 Hertz for 200 milliseconds, but we can make some changes to that. When we provide these two input numbers, the first numbers are the Hertz. Let's go ahead and play these. There you go. You have some beep tones. The second number is the number of milliseconds of how long you want that beep tone to play. Here we're going to do for 300, 600, and 900 milliseconds. And you can hear that the beep tones went progressively longer. So let's say for me, I've got one of those long-running processes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the process, but I'll add these 3 lines of code to the end of my process. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and start the process. Then I'll go watch TV. Get some other work done until I hear this. And that's my cue to come back to my script because it's finished up and I can continue working. In the next episode, I want to show you how to play both WAV and MP3 files so you can have some more robust sounds associated with your script. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you all in the next episode.